Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start at the router because most home networks put the SSID and default password right on the device. This saves time. Once done, photograph or copy the SSID and Wi-Fi key exactly, including capitalization and symbols. Make sure to also note the admin username and password on the same label. You may need them if the default was changed. If the sticker is missing or erased, stop here and prepare to check a connected device or log into the router's web panel. You now check a device that's already connected. This often reveals the saved password. On Windows, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, then manage Known Networks to view properties and show the password. On Mac OS, open Keychain Access and search the SSID, then select Show Password and Authenticate. On iOS or Android, go to Wi-Fi settings, tap the network, or use the device's share/show password feature. Once done, copy the password character for character and test by reconnecting another device. If devices don't reveal the code, you must log into the router's admin page. You connect with Ethernet or the network, open a browser, and enter the router IP such as 192.168.0.1, then log in with the admin account. Once inside, go to Wireless or Wi-Fi settings to view or reset the network password. Remember why? This is the definitive source. After changing or viewing the code, save settings and reboot if requested. Troubleshooting tip: if login fails, perform a brief factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.